welcome back. It's Michael, the lead engineer here at O Designs. Today we're covering the Bruin XL, more specifically the interior and the many features that come with it. Exactly like the fan favorite Bruin, the Bruin XL offers the same exterior options, but what sets it apart is the size. The standard Bruin is 5 by 9 feet, and the XL is going to be 7 by 10 feet. With that added room to the living space of the camper, we were able to configure the sleep platforms and to accommodate whatever size family and how many people you're bringing. Standard is a queen size. We have a king size extension platform that goes here, or you can configure it so you have a queen size sleep platform and a twin XL over here for extra sleeping place. And then down on the base, you can put another sleeping platform, so you can put a queen size, twin XL, or depending on the length of your bed, even a king size. That same size allows you to sleep east-west, typically with the queen or king, or north-south with the king size platform. With the Bruin XL, you're only adding about 100 pounds to the base weight of our Bruin. That's going to put you in the 400 to 500 range. Amongst other brands similarly built to the Bruin XL, it's the most lightweight and most well-rounded, and it avoids impeding the performance of your truck while you're out on the trail. One of our favorite features in this interior would have to be the built-in benches that come with the sheer width of the XL. With these benches, you utilize an almost natural use of your truck bed sides, retaining maximum usage of your living space inside the camper, where you can deck it out with your furniture, put cushions on them, turn them into couches, or you can leave it wide open to your imagination. Let's take a second and drop a comment and tell us what you would do with all this space. Much like all the campers we offer, the Bruin XL has endless possibilities when it comes to modularity of both inside and outside. If you guys have any questions on this or any of our campers, drop a comment down below or give us a call today and we'll gladly answer any questions. As always, hit that bell icon and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.